Welcome to Java Online Hub video tutorials. Today we are going to see about inheritance example in Java. So how we will achieve inheritance in Java by using Java programming. Before that, if you are not clear on inheritance or if you want to go through the inheritance, just go through the inheritance tutorial in javaonlinehub.blogspot.com. Link is mentioned in the description of this video. Now we are going to see about inheritance. First we'll create a package. Inheritance example. I'm creating inheritance example package. Inside that I am creating class, parent class. I don't need main method, so I'll just click finish. Parent class got created. I am creating a subclass. Okay. And I need main method here. Finish. So subclass is created with this main method. So in parent class, so we want to achieve inheritance. Inheritance is achieved by means of extends keyword. Extends, control space you do, parent class is here, just inherit it. So now subclass is a subclass of the parent class, so it is extending the parent class here. Now in parent class I am creating a method. For example, void add method I am creating. Okay, inside that I am not doing any functionality. System out SISO, you just press control space, it will only print. So add method in parent class. So now I have created add method. Now in subclass I am going to create another one method, public void add. So now SYSO control space, it will show the options. We have to select print statement. So this out add method in subclass. Okay. So now we have parent class, one add method is there. Anyway, it is no need to mention public because if we mention public, it will be accessed outside package also. Now here we are accessing this method inside the same package. So if you mention public, if you don't mention public, doesn't matter. If you want to see about the scope of that terms like public, static, private and all, just go through the tutorial. So now we have two methods in parent class and subclass. Now I am going to create the object of subclass. So subclass is object equal to new. New is used to create the object of subclass. So new subclass. I have created the object. Now using that object, control space will show the options, dot add. So what I am doing, subclass, I have created the object for subclass by using new operator. Subclass, S object is a reference to the object, new class will create the object of the subclass. So I have created the object of subclass and I am calling the add method using that reference. So now I am running this program. See in the console, add method in subclass. So it is calling the add method in subclass. Now we'll create the object of parent class. Parent class p object equal to new of parent class. So it has created the object of parent class. Using that p object reference, we are calling the add method of parent class. So now what it will come, it will call the add method in subclass, add method in parent class. Okay. So now I have the reference of parent class, and using that reference I can create the object of subclass. So this also will work. Now we will create parent object 1. This our reference name is p object 1. Okay, just I am clearing the console. So now I am commenting out those things. To order to avoid the confusion, just commented out the above things. Now I have created the reference of parent class, but I have created the object for the subclass and assigned to that reference of the parent class. Now using that p object 1, now using that p object 1, I am calling the add method. So which add method will get called? Whether subclass add method will get called or parent class object method called, we'll see. So now I'm running this program. Now if you see, add method in subclass got called. So it shows that whatever may be the reference, based on the object only the method will get called. Okay, now we'll write uncomment out these things. We'll run this program. Now first one is calling the add method in subclass. So we have created the subclass reference, subclass object. It is calling the add method in subclass. We have created the parent class reference, parent class object. It will call the parent class add method. Now third thing, we have created the parent class reference and subclass object. It has called the subclass add method because it will call the add method of whatever object that is created, not on the reference. Okay, so now I'm just commenting out the entire, I'm commenting out these two things. Okay, now clear the console. Now what I'm doing, I'm calling the subclass add method. I'm running this program. It will call the add method in subclass. So in add method, if you want to call the parent class add method also, we have to use a keyword super. Okay, super dot add. If you do, it will, what it will do, it will call the add method of parent class. So that is what super keyword is used. If you want more details, you just go to the tutorials, javaonlinehub.blogspot.com tutorials. The link is mentioned in the description of that video. Okay, now what it will happen, earlier we got only the add method in subclass. The same program, we didn't change anything, we just added super.add. Okay, so we are never involved in parent class, just we have created the subclass object. So now we have created the subclass object, we didn't involve in parent class, we just doing operations with subclass alone. What we have done is we are just using the super keyword. What that super keyword will do, it will call the add method of parent class. We'll see the output. I'm clearing the console. Now I'm running this program. So what it had done, it has called the add method in parent class also, and it had called the add method in subclass also. So if super keyword is used, it will call the method in the parent class also. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for updates. Visit our tutorial site javaonlinehub.blogspot.com. The link is mentioned in the description of this video. Thank you.